So, TikTok. I don't even know how to like start this video off, but I'm gonna first start off by saying sorry about the glare. My contacts haven't been working for me for the past 2 days, so I'm just wearing glasses today. Today, I'm gonna be recreating TikToks. I just downloaded the app. I have never downloaded it before. Don't know why. Just never really had an interest in it, I guess. I've been watching a lot of YouTubers like do their own thing with TikTok videos. I don't know, it seems interesting. I think TikTok somehow related to Musical.ly. I feel like such an old person. I don't know anything about TikTok or whatever it is. I just know that it's you make videos with, I don't know, it's like Vine in a way, but not really because it's not funny. From what I've seen, no offense. I just thought I'd give it a try. I thought Musical.ly was TikTok, or TikTok was Musical.ly. What happened to Musical.ly? Did it just die out and then they rebranded it as TikTok? Let's open the app. So I do have to make an account. I've never made one before. I'm kind of confused. Are you yet? Okay, so now do I... There it is, got it. Obviously, we're gonna do itslenka. What? Who took my username? I'm seriously considering rebranding myself as itslenka M because itslenka is taken everywhere. Okay. Why wouldn't she notice the glass? Should I recreate that one? That one was pretty interesting. I liked the background music and I'm not sure what she's doing with her hair, but somehow it's a ponytail. I don't think so. It's stupid. I can't recreate any of these. Why is he holding it with 4 fingers? Is that guy vaping? He's vaping in the back. Oh, I've seen this. Oh, that's my foot. Don't look at that. I think I have one in mind. Let's try it out. I need to get my hair right. I also need hoop earrings. I'm just gonna put the hoop earring on my hoop earring that I'm wearing already. Ow! Ow! I keep yanking my earring! No! I can't believe I'm doing this. Okay. I couldn't see whatsoever. Is that it? This is gonna be so stupid.
Pretty boy.
What do I don't even know what to hashtag it. I'll just put hashtag catch me outside. Holy shit. Why is this good? This is insane. How is that good? What the hell? Alright, that's it for the video today. No, I'm kidding. Holy crap. I can't recreate that, unfortunately. The dirty mirror. Should I recreate that one? I have a good idea for this one. This one requires us to be in the bathroom, so back to where I ruined my hair. Also, the sink is definitely stained. Pretend to walk in. The only issue is my light. Well, now I can't see. This is so stupid! I can't have the camera in there. I think I have to take the camera out. I'm gonna film this and then I'll get back to you guys because I don't want the camera in there. You know what I'm saying? well, that was stupid. As you can tell, I'm in a completely different outfit. I finished my video yesterday. Actually, what happened was I got bored while filming. So we're back again today. This time I made sure to go through the TikToks beforehand so I don't sit here bored looking at TikToks because it was slightly painful. But I found a couple that I'm kind of excited to... I'm gonna do like a duet and some other... I don't know what they're called. That's what... I don't know. I'm gonna start with this one. I don't wanna look at it. I'm gonna try to get in the same setting as him, so it's gonna be a little dark. And he has like one single light on him, so I'm gonna keep that there. Okay. Okay. I don't look okay. This is so stupid. It wasn't funny, but it was good.
Look, I'm so moved. I'm crying. Just kidding.
Yeah.
This is so stupid. This is so dumb.
Hey Siri, find me a girlfriend.
Okay, here you go.
Hey Siri, find me a girlfriend.
Okay, here you go.
Look at me! I have to do that again because I have another idea for it. Okay. This!
Hey Siri, find me a girlfriend.
Okay, here you go.
The duets are the best because people take them so seriously. They're just so funny. Okay, I'm gonna do this one now. Let's do it at a different angle though. Okay, just got a really shocking text, but I gotta finish filming. Well, now that I'm angry, what the f? Sorry. Alright, all these suck ass because I don't know how to film this. Oh, my neighbor!
Beautiful girls all over the world. I could be chasing, but my time would be wasted. They got nothing on you, baby.
Okay, I actually give up, I think. I'm so bored of this. This app sucks. Like, that's it. I'm so done with this TikTok shit. But those were my TikToks. I just hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a like. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Comment down below video ideas you have for me. Blah, blah, blah. Check out all my social media. It's also down below. And I actually dressed up for this video 2 days in a row. You're welcome. Peace out, Girl Scouts. Goodbye.
I don't wanna see you anymore, babe. Never mind, babe. We never seem to